high. Using SQL to analyze a Spotify dataset allows you to extract valuable insight into music trends, user behaviors, and artist performance. By querying and exploring the data, you can uncover patterns and trends that inform decisions in the music industry or provide personalized recommendations for users. Today, let's unlock the music insight of Spotify datasets in data analysis with SQL. On today's video, we are going to work on Spotify datasets from 2010 to 2019 and explore Spotify dataset and answer all the questions. Let's start. Right now, I have my Spotify database here. So I'll be working on the table called Top 10. So let's have a look at it. Okay, right now, this is my table. I have my title and I have my artists and so on. So let's get started. Let's get to the question part. Okay, so the first question. Retrieve all column for song released in 2010, 2015, 2019 year. That's the question. Okay, so what this means is that we should extract all the songs released in 2010, 2015, and 2019. So let's start. Select all from my table where year in my in operator. Okay, 2010, 2015, 19. Okay, so this is it. Let's execute it. Okay, so these are the songs released 2015 and 2019. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, the next question. Retrieve all columns top 3 entries for song released in 2010, 2015, 2019 year. Order by energy, high value. Okay, so right now we are going to use our window function, and window functions applies aggregates, ranking, and analytics function over a particular window or set of window. Okay, so let's do that. With rank, okay, our table top 10s. Okay, as select okay row over partition by year, order by now close it as row number from our table where year in 2010, 2015, 2019. Then we close the bracket. Now select all from ranked. Top 10 where row number is less than or equals to 3. Okay, so like I said, we use our window function, and I explain what window function does. We also use our rows, and rows can be used if we want to further limit the row within our partition. We also use our over clause. Over clause is used with Windows function to define that window. So let's run it. Okay, so this is it. So these are all the column are the top 3 entry for song release in 2010, 2015, and 2019. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Calculate the average BPM, which means beats per minute, for all songs in the data set. Okay, so let's do that. Select sum. We need the sum. Okay, this is our function, the sum of the BPM, sorry. Okay, then we divide it by number of counts from our BPM as our average. Okay, let me make this as average. Okay, from our table called top 10. Okay, yeah, that's it. So the instruction is to calculate the average BPM, like I said, our beats per minute for all songs in the data set. So with what we have here, our sum of the BPM divided by the number of counts gives us our average. So let's execute it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Count the number of songs by each artist. Count the number of songs by each artist. Okay, at this point, we are going to use our aggregate function and our group by clause. Okay, so select count, which is our aggregate function. Okay, what are we counting? We are counting the title of the song as number of songs, comma, then artists from my table top 10, then group by That's our group by clause. We are grouping it by artist. Okay, let me explain this. Like I said, count is an aggregate function, and then with our group by clause. So what group by does is that it collects data from multiple records and group the result by one or more column. So generally, we use group by with some aggregation function. Okay, so let's execute it. Okay, so this is it. Like the question says, count the number of songs by each artist. So these are the number. These are the number of songs. Okay, let's move to the next one. Find the maximum and minimum values of the energy column. Find the maximum and minimum values of the energy column. So at this point in time, we are going to use our aggregate function, and then aggregate function perform a calculation on a set of values and return a single value. So right now we need the maximum and the minimum. Okay, so select in brackets, select our max, which is a function. Okay, max of what? So, okay, so as maximum underscore. Okay. Okay, that's comma, then minimum, that's a function too. Minimum of what? The same energy as underscore. Okay, so from which table? That's top 10. Okay, so this is it. So let's execute it. Okay, so our maximum is 98, then our minimum will have nothing, that's 0. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's move to the next one. Calculate the total duration of all songs in minutes. Okay, so select sum, that's our aggregate function. Duration, that's DRU, divided by 60 as total from top 10s. So we use our aggregate function, we sum the duration divided by 60. That gives us our total duration minutes from top 10 table. Okay, so that's it. So we have 2,257. Yeah, that's it. Let's move to the next question. Find the song with the highest energy value. Okay, select title, year, from top 10, where energy year in. Okay. Select marks of our energy as marks underscore energy year from top 10. From top 10, group by year. Then, okay, so this is it. Let's execute it. Yeah, perfect, 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 perfect. So that's it. That's it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Calculate the median value of the var column. The word var represents valence. Calculate the median value of the var column. And remember, let's go back to our math. Median is the middle value in a set of data. So right now we are calculating the median value of the var column. And var means valence. Okay, now with data as select asterisk, that's all, row number. Okay, over order by, well, in ascending order as row number from top 10. That's our table. Okay, now select var as mean underscore value from sort data. Okay, where case is more like an if condition. When select count for row number from sort data okay, 2 is equals to 0. Then row number is equals to select marks row number from sort data divided by 2. Select count row number, okay, from sort data is equals to 1. Then row number is equals to select max row number from data and okay, let's check something is not right. Okay, select row number divided by okay, select val as median value from for data where okay case when select count when select row number okay then number select row number from data okay when select count row number then is this parenthesis okay let's run it and see okay something okay something is still then the row select max row number from data okay something is still wrong something is still wrong. Let's see now. Yes. Okay, that's it. That's it. So it's 52. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Determine the average speechness of songs released in the 2010s. Okay, so now to do that, select average. That's our function. Okay, so SPCH, that's speechness, as average underscore SPCH, that's an abbreviation for speechness, 2010 from top 10th, where year is equals to 2010. Okay, so let's execute it. Okay, so that's it. 8.8824. So that's it. Okay, on our next question, identify the artist with the most song having a BPM, which is beats per minute, greater than 120. Okay, so select count artist as number of songs, artists from top 10, where BPM, which is a beat per minute, is greater than 120. Then let's use our aggregate. Group by artist, order by number songs, then in descending order, and then let's limit it to 3. Okay, so let's execute it. Okay, yep, we have 12 songs by Katy Perry, 9 by Rihanna, then 9 by Lady Gaga. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Detect any outliers in the duration column using statistical methods. With starts as, okay, now select our average in bracket, then duration as mean, then we have our stdv underscore pop. Okay, then we have our duration as from top 10. Select our duration. Okay, let's use our case. When ABS, okay, then we have our duration minus mean greater than 3, then times, okay, then in column outliers else not an outlier. And as top 10 starts having outliers on the start, okay, is equals to outliers. Then okay, so now let's run it. Something is wrong. Let's check. Something is wrong. Okay, sorry, I think this will start this. Let's run it again. Okay, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. And end as, then outlier, else not, okay, end as outlier. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. I can't end it like this. So it should be end as, okay, layers underscore status, then from, oh god, I made a mistake, from top, okay, top 10, starts, I think this is it. Okay, perfect. So this is it. That's how it works. Sometimes you just have to face some errors, and then the bottom line is to be able to get it right. So that's what we just passed through now. This is the duration, and these are the outlier. Let's move to the next question. Identify any correlation between BPM and energy level across different genres. Okay, let's do this. Right now, I'll have to paste my code because this is much. To avoid confusion, I'll have to paste it. I'm not good at typing. I drag so much when I'm typing. So this is the code. Yeah, this is the code. So we use our select top genres, correlation, case. So this is the code to, this is the query to get that result. Okay, so we are talking about correlation here between our beat per minute and energy level across different genres. So let's execute it. Okay, so this is it. We have the top genres, we have correlation, and we have correlation status. So let's scroll from up to down. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Determine the trend of speechiness over the years. Okay, so select years, then our average, in bracket we have our speechiness, that's SPCH, as average underscore speechiness, okay. Comma, minimum SPCH as mean underscore speechiness, comma, then we have our max in bracket SPCH as max underscore speechiness. Okay, from which table? That's from our top 10s. Then group by year, order by year. Okay, so that's it. Something is missing. From top 10, okay. Okay, so let's execute it. Okay, perfect. So we have our year, we have our average speechiness, we have the minimum speechiness, then we have the max speechiness. So this is the query, and this is how to get the trend of speechness over the years. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.